Okay, I know we all have layer cakes that we have no idea what to do with. Well, here's my quick and easy solution for a throw-sized quilt measuring 65 by 76. The first thing I always do is make sure that my squares are actually 10 inches so we can make sure everything's even. From here, we're going to cut 7.5-inch squares out of every single layer cake square that we have. With the excess pieces, you're going to cut 2.5-inch squares. You'll need 56 of these. And I'll actually be doing a video of what you can do with all of the extra squares that you have. From here, we're going to cut our sashing at 2.5 inches as well. You'll need 24 widths of fabric, and you will cut 2.5 by 7.5 inches. You will be needing 97 of these in total. Remember to save those extra squares. I want you to start by taking every single square that you have and putting a sashing piece on the bottom. So you're going to have 42 just like this. If you do have directional fabric, make sure that it is facing the correct way when you start this process. Next, with the remainder of your sashing pieces that you have, I want you to sew a corner square to the bottom. You're going to make 7 stacks of 6 and start sewing your sashing pieces to the left-hand side of all of your squares. On the 6th square of each stack, I want you to sew a sashing piece to the right-hand side. Once you open it, that will be the edge of your quilt. With only 1 stack of 6, I want you to sew a sashing piece to the top and the bottom. This will be your top row. And then what we're going to do is take sashing pieces with 2 corner squares and sew them to the top and the bottom. Do the same exact thing that you did here. Put your sashing pieces on your left, and on your 6th square of that stack, put your sashing piece to the right. After that, you just piece it all together. Thanks, bye!